Hello, beautiful souls of Gaia. I wanted to come in and talk about very important abundance mindset and abundance mentality. And right now I am soaking in beautiful mineral hot springs in North Carolina. And one of the things that I've talked about in earlier videos is doing abundance manifestations. Why? Because the current program that the collective consciousness is running on is that of lack and that of poverty. And the parasitical entities and beings and force that is in control feeds and pumps full of misinformation about the truth of abundance. There's many things out there like law of attraction, affirmations. The main thing is to make sure that you understand that the power of your mind is one of the most greatest things that you have. And if you can reprogram that, just like you could reprogram or code a computer, that is going to be the most beneficial thing for you. There's many books that are activations and transmissions. There's many meditations and sleep state meditations that you can do 5 minutes right before you go to bed to listen to program the mind in that delta wave. One of the things that I love to do is to do water meditations, because the water is a natural element of our existence. We are 80% water. We also are born in a celestial fluid before we come down into a human body. And the whole cosmos runs on a very etheric water frequency. I've talked about doing the river meditations before. Matter of fact, before I was soaking, I was down here in this river doing a meditation, because you see all of this white bubbles, all of that energy, that is abundance, abundance, abundance. There's so much that it's creating these white rapids, these white energetics, these white currents. And what I like to do is I like to get down there and stick my head right in the current and receive all of that abundance. I put my hands right in the current and I receive all of that abundance. Getting into nature, getting into water, and doing abundance meditations has night and day changed my life in abundance of money, abundance of love, abundance of peace. Get into nature, you guys, because it is your own natural healer. I promise you.